Hey peeps, Sarah here from Sparrow Springs, and we are back for another painting. Obviously, I'm not in the studio, so you know something's up. But before I get into what, we are doing a painting tutorial from Alifya Lifestyle. I thought about doing a Bob Ross painting, but to be honest, it's been so overdone, and Alifya is really awesome. So let me get things together and I'll meet you here in just a second. So let me introduce you to our canvas. This is Tico. We're gonna have to do a little bit of prep work first though. Yeah. Okay, obviously we have a little bit of work to do. She's a little dirty. As I said, we're going to be following a painting tutorial from Alifya Lifestyle. So she is a fantastic artist, and we started YouTube around the same time, so we've been kind of in contact here and there. And she is kind of more of an impressionist painter, so I love her style. It's fantastic. So let's get started.
Want some apples?
Okay, she's ready to go. Now I do have to add this disclaimer, so I am using a non-toxic paint mixed with a little bit of horse shampoo because that will make it easier to get it off afterwards. So I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna try and follow the painting tutorial as best I can, but obviously I have to take into consideration her patience level a little bit. So, all right, on to the painting. Oh no, I got some red mixed in there. Blend it out. Blend, 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 blend. Good girl, Tico. Just gonna go right up to her paint patch there. Good girl. Thank you to my son who eats all of the yogurt. My canvas is misshapen. Okay, so I'm gonna try and get some sort of a horizon line in here.
It's all distorted.
It's all getting muddled where her muscles are. I have a natural mixing agent.
Going on.
The shampoo and water watered down my paint a little bit. And I'm having a hard time figuring out where my horizon line is. She's sweating the paint out. Because I don't know where my clouds are. Well, I think our impressionist ended up a little bit more abstract. But we gave it a good shot. Good girl. Yeah, the bug getting you. Well, we're all feeling a little warm, so it's time to let things lie. So all things must come to an end, so we're gonna wash it off of her now. I think she did an okay job, so we're going to give her an apple off the apple tree. Oh yes, good apples. They're a little small. Peeps, thanks for joining us, and it was getting a little warm and the bugs are getting a little bad, so Tika was getting a little impatient and so was everybody else. So, but we got it done. I got her washed. So make sure you check out Alifya Lifestyle, check out her channel, and I will link the exact tutorial for this particular painting. Mine turned out nothing like hers because of reasons. Hers is much better than mine. So check out hers and make sure you subscribe to her channel. So hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you later, peeps. Uh-oh, get some paint on my tack a little bit here. Good thing it's washable.